name's Michael Legg. I'm an Associate Professor at UNSW Law School and the Director of the Masters of Business Law. The Masters of Business Law is a one-year full-time postgraduate program, or it can be done over 2 years part-time. We also offer a graduate diploma of business law, which is the sort of the shorter study, and it can be used to as a stepping stone into the masters. And then within your Masters of Business Law, we have a number of specialisations around different types of law. Equally, you can do a Masters of Business Law that has no specialisation, and you simply you take the courses that are of most interest or benefit to you. Well, I guess the nature of the Masters of Business Law is that it operates effectively as an adjunct to an area of expertise that a person already has. So it may be that they're a professional in accounting, engineering, marketing, human resources, compliance, any of those areas, and they then need some knowledge of the law to be able to sort of supplement their other skills for the career or the particular position that they're currently undertaking. Well, I guess probably the first skill that they get is the actual the ability to be able to find the law, so sort of researching it, and also being able to write well. And they're skills that often get overlooked, but the fact is, if you can't find the law, then you can't understand what it requires. And so we start off with that as being sort of at the core. That's part of the compulsory subjects. And then it tends to vary depending upon what they want to do. People come from overseas, they come from universities within Australia. But the requirement to be able to get into the course is you need to have graduated from a university and have a credit average. So that sort of sets the bar quite high. But what we tend to find is, the people that sort of want to come and do this sort of course are usually people that have sort of they've got an ability to think outside the box. They're not sort of approaching their role in terms of, well, I do marketing, therefore I'm only interested in marketing. They will have a sort of an ability to appreciate that there's a number of angles at which something can be looked at. And so that sort of open, free style of thinking tends to mean that the type of student we get is of quite a high calibre. And they're very interested in learning in a range of different ways.